Welcome to the Coca-Cola manufacturing plant, where one of the world's most iconic drinks begins its journey. The sugar dissolves in hot, purified water to form a thick syrup. The syrup is cooled before moving to the mixing stage. Coca-Cola's secret formula, the concentrate, arrives in sealed containers.
Here, concentrate is added to the prepared syrup under strict measurement. Every batch is tested for taste, consistency, and chemical balance.
Coca-Cola uses water purified using multi-stage RO and UV treatment.
Bottles start as small PET preforms.
They are heated until soft and ready to expand. Using high-pressure air, each preform is blown into a perfect bottle shape.
The bottles cool to maintain shape.
Each bottle undergoes sterilization before filling.
Clean air removes any microscopic dust.
Coca-Cola is filled using ultra-high-speed filling machines.
Every bottle is filled at precise temperature to lock in carbonation.
Labels are automatically wrapped with perfect alignment. Dates and batch codes are added via inkjet printers.
Each bottle is checked to ensure the exact amount of liquid.
Quality scanners ensure clarity and consistency.
Human inspection guarantees taste accuracy.
Bottles are packed into 6, 12, or 24 packs.
Robotic systems load crates with perfect precision.
Wrapped pallets stay secure during transport.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses.
AI-based systems monitor stock levels and distribution routes.
Forklifts load pallets into branded Coca-Cola trucks. Coca-Cola reaches wholesalers, retailers, and supermarkets worldwide.
Retailers stock the products in chilled displays. And finally, Coca-Cola reaches the hands of people across the globe.